Hi everyone, welcome back. If your Windows 11 internet feels slow, buffering, or laggy, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best settings to instantly boost your internet speed. No software, no risky tweaks, just simple system settings that actually work. First, let's stop background apps from eating up your bandwidth. You can go to Settings, Apps, and go to the Install Apps. Click on the three dots on apps you don't use. For example, this one. And if you can click it, you can select Advanced Options or Modify and choose the background app permissions and select Never. And this will stop unnecessary app from constantly using your connection. And next step is turn off delivery optimizations. So Windows uses your PC to send updates to other devices, which eats your bandwidth. You can just go to the Windows Update and then go to the Advanced option, this one, and find the delivery optimization and make sure that it's off, this one, so that instantly free up more internet speed for your own use. Now let's set a faster DNS. You can just right click your Wi-Fi. This one if you're using Wi-Fi, and then select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4 properties, and you can use the DNS servers. The preferred DNS you can go with 8888, and the alternate DNS you can go with 8844. That's Google Fast and Reliable DNS, and you'll notice quicker browsing immediately. And next one, disable the method connection and limiters. So make sure your connection isn't set as method. You can go to Settings and Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, and your network in here, and turn the method connection off. And this will allow apps and Windows to use the full speed available. And finally, you can refresh your network settings. You can open the command prompt and type the code to speed up your internet. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.